मेमोरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही, ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम सितारों की परे हुई गलती। सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी, किसकी मर्जी जो थे। अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, आए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा। अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, आए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा। के न जावी इश्क निभावी माहिया जो बोले करके दिखावी वादा निभावी माहिया हाथ पकड़ के बंधे आके करके तेरे भरोसे हम चल पड़े वे मैनू अपना बनावी ना तू नजरा चुरावी मैनू छड़ के ना जावी माहिया जो बोले करके दिखावी सारे वादे तू निभावी मैनू छड़ के ना जावी माहिया 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 तुझसे ही बातें राबते हैं अब मेरे तुझसे ही मंजिल रास्ते हैं अब मेरे तुझसे ही बातें राबते हैं अब मेरे तुझसे ही मंजिल रास्ते हैं अब मेरे तू जो कहे तो कर दूं रात सुबह तेरे लिए है कुछ ऐसी वफा वे मैनू अपना बनावी ना तू नजरा चुरावी मैनू छड़ के ना जावी माहिया जो बोले करके दिखावी सारे वादे तू निभावी मैनू छड़ के ना जावी माहिया वे मैनू अपना बनावी ना तू नजरा चुरावी मैनू छड़ के ना जावी माहिया जो बोले करके दिखावी सारे वादे तू निभावी मैनू छड़ के ना जावी माहिया
Good evening, everyone. Almost time for good night, but let's get started. We are here today. हम यहाँ पे सब. First of all, thank you all of you for being here. हम यहाँ पे आज वेंकटेश और दिव्या का प्यार सेलिब्रेट करने आए हैं. नाचेंगे, गाएंगे, खूब मस्ती करेंगे. And like they say, the night is young. So in the meantime, I would let Venki and Divya enter here.
अलग तुझ में सर कुछ है तुमसे किरण धूप की तुमसे सियाह रात है तुम बिन मैं बिन कुछ बात है तुमसे किरण धूप की तुमसे सियाह रात है तुम बिन मैं बिन बात तुम हो तभी कुछ बात है नसीब है जब से थोड़ा तो बेहतर खुदा कसम हुआ हूँ मैं मुझसे है तू ही तू तस्वुर में
Venki, Divya, we're not letting you go that easily. आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. Come. Stage is all yours. So Divya, I'll start with you. How's the feeling?
I'm tired. But yeah, I'm looking forward to dance my heart out.
Venki, are you feeling jittery like you do when you play cricket with me? Or are you confident when you play badminton with me?
No, I'm confident. I think I have some moves to show.
Last question for both of you, one each. What was the first thing you felt when you saw him?
I was like, OMG, this is Krishna's brother.
The answer is yes. Venki, what was the first thing you felt when you saw Divya?
I mean, she was smiling at me, but I didn't really recognize her. So she just said, hi. I said, yeah, hi, how are you? So, but that smile is attractive, don't you think?
So there was a Dil Mein Baji guitar situation.
Yeah, for sure.
Excellent. We'll let you take your seats and enjoy the evening. हाल ही में अंबानी की शादी हुई थी. वहां पे कौन किस को नहीं बुलाया था? जॉन सीना, रिहाना, सारे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज, पॉलिटिशियंस, क्रिकेटर्स, यहां तक कि राखी सावंत को भी बुलाया था. यहां पे भी आज काफी सारे परफॉर्मर्स हैं. हमारे परिवार टैलेंट से भरा पड़ा है. एंड फॉर ऑल यू नो, it will get viral on social media, and they're probably auditioning for Junior Ambani's wedding 20 years down the line, and hopefully by then Radhika and Anant would have finished their celebration. So with that, we'll kick off the celebrations. The first performer today, उनको गाने का बहुत शौक है. वो जब देखो गाती रहती है. किचन में, बाथरूम में, उनको बहुत शौक है, बट बाकी सबको शौक देती रहती है. Without further delay, let's kick off today's evening with a performance by the Indian idol of the family and the groom's mother, मेरी भी है, Rajeshwari.
Thank you, Krish. Let me start with the prayer. Okay. Om Ganganapataye Namo Namaha Siddhivinayaka Namo Namaha Ashtavinayaka Namo Namaha Mangalamurti Moriya Ganganapataye Namo Namaha सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः अष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बप्पा मोरिया. First song from my Chiku. La 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 la. La 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 la. तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई. जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या मानना. देखो अभी खोना नहीं, कभी जुदा होना नहीं. अब से यूं ही मिले रहेंगे दोनों, वादा रहा ये इस शाम का. जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना. तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई. ओके. Next song? We'll sing next song? Yeah? Okay. Now which one? Tell me which one? Huh? Which one? Night? Okay. Now wait. तुम को पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ, किसी जुबान में भी वो लफ्ज ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुमको क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ। मैं अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं, तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ। तुम हुए मेहरबान तो ये दास्तां अब तुम्हारा मेरा एक है कारवां, तुम जहाँ मैं वहाँ। मैं अगर कहूँ हम सफ़र मेरी अप्सरा हो तुम या कोई परी, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं, तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mom, for that brilliant performance. हमारे जो अगले परफॉर्मर्स हैं उनके बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ। जब मिलते हैं, कुछ बुरा नहीं कर रहा, जब मिलते हैं तो घर में धमाल होता है। मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि मैं फेवरेट भाई हूँ, बट आज ये यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करके अपने फेवरेट भाई के लिए यहाँ पे अपना gonna dance our heart out. Sorry for the bad Hindi. So please welcome the groom's sisters and cousins for a spectacular performance.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा जिंदगी एक बार क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
தவிக்குது மால டம்டம் மஞ்சள டம்டம் மாத்து அடிக்க மங்கள டம்டம் ஓல டம்டம் ஒதுக்கு டம்டம் ஓங்கி தட்டிக்கும் முத்திக டம்டம் மால டம்டம் மஞ்சள டம்டம் மாத்து அடிக்க மங்கள டம்டம் ஓல டம்டம் ஒதுக்கு டம்டம் ஓங்கி தட்டிக்கும் முத்திக டம்டம்।
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे। तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे।
होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do, ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी, तू एवें उड़दी, ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी, टुक टुक तू करदी, मेकअप तू करदी, अंग्रेजी पढ़ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ
से जहां से मिटा मुकाबला मुकाबला लैला ओ लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओ लैला
Can we have the sisters back on stage, please? All the sisters back on stage.
What an energetic performance that was, yeah. Maza aa gaya. Well done. Okay, now that we have all the sisters here, we want you to tell us something about the groom. What is the fondest memory that you have of Venki?
Okay. I being the eldest. Okay. Done? Perfect? Okay. So I being the eldest, I would like to take this honor of saying something about Venki. Okay. We both share the same month of our birthday. We both are May born. So Venki used to be very particular that I wish him on his birthday. That is May 25th. And mine is on May 31st. Okay? So whether he wishes me on 31st or not, it doesn't matter. But if I forget, then the whole year I'll have to listen, you didn't wish me on my birthday. So he will never miss, or he will never forget that I missed wishing him, which I have never forgotten to wish him, okay? But he will somehow say, no, you didn't wish me. End of the day, you wished me. So that's something very cute I remember of him. I would like to give somebody else also. Yes. Number 2.
Congratulations to both of you. Very happy to be here on this special occasion. Really very, very happy and excited. And one best thing I would like to tell you, Divya, is he's the only one, including my sisters or my mom, nobody picks up my call immediately. He's the only one who picks up the call in one ring. So I'm so happy about it.
Happy birthday, Divya. Today you have birthday. God bless you a lot. And Venki and Krishna, this is 2 diamond brothers for us. And may God bless both of them with all the happiness. And Venki's favorite dish is sambar and tendli bhaji. And he is Mama's boy.
Yes. That's too much of loving words already. Here's something funny. Before you ask, what do you want, my dear? Be careful, because there is a very fond memory where he asked, give me money.
So, firstly, congratulations, Venki and Divya. My baby brother is getting married, and I can't be more happy and emotional right now. But my fondest, I mean, I have too many memories, but of course, Venki sitting on my lap in the school bus and all our bags together is, something that's very, very special. And of course, I'll always, carry that with me. Right? I've been I think for him, it was more like a motherly sort of a vibe that I have for Venki, So, yes, and I'm so, so happy for both of you. And I wish you all the very best and God bless you.
Such lovely messages and heartfelt wishes, weren't they? Thank you to all the Akas. Thank you very much.
सुनने में आया कि दिव्या बहुत अच्छा डांस करती है. अब वो तो टैलेंटेड है ही, बट श्योरली कुछ और भी बात है. मुझे तो लगता है ये टैलेंट जो है उन्हें विरासत में अपनी मम्मी से मिली है. So you're right, you've guessed it right. The next performer is the bride's mother. तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत कीजिए.
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई. दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई. मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई. जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी. कहा थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई. कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई. मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई. जो जब ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी. कहा थी न देखो कहाँ चली आई. कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई. दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई. मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ. मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ. छनन छन चूड़ियाँ छनन छन चूड़ियाँ खनक गई. देख साहिबा चूड़ियाँ खनक गई. हाथ माँ मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ. मैं तो लाज के मारे हो गई पानी पानी. सब लोगों ने सुन ली मेरी प्रेम कहानी. मुँह से बात निकल गई. बात बात माँ बात बात माँ. छनन छन चूड़ियाँ छनन छन चूड़ियाँ खनक गई. देख साहिबा चूड़ियाँ खनक गई. हाथ माँ मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ. मेरा प्रेम गली घर से चली. रास्ते में उसकी गली प्रेम गली. उसने मेरा नाम लिया मैंने जिया थाम लिया. उसने मेरा नाम लिया मैंने जिया थाम लिया. उसने मुझे छेड़ दिया मैंने मुंह फेर लिया. मरती मैं क्या करती. रस्ते में वो खड़ा था कब से मेरे पीछे पड़ा
देखे हसीनों के मेले देखे दिल पे हो तू ही छा गया तू ही छा गया नैनों में सपना सपनों में सजनी सजनी पे दिल आ गया कि सजनी पे दिल आ गया
Wow, wow, wow. Wasn't that a rocking performance? And was I not right about Divya getting the talent from Auntie? अब वेंकी तू क्या बुलाएगा? तो मुझे तो आंटी बुलाना पड़ेगा. ओके आजकल पेरेंट्स के अप्रूवल से पहले दोस्तों का अप्रूवल होना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड आई थिंक द फैक्ट दैट वी आर हियर टुडे, वेंकी हैज गॉट हिज अप्रूवल फ्रॉम दिव्या's फ्रेंड्स. द नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस is of Divya's closest friends. Please put your hands together for a rocking and smashing performance.
इश्क में दिल बना है इश्क में दिल फना है ಪಕ್ಕಮಾನಿ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಪದ ವಾರ
I don't need to say anything. Itni hooting ho rahi hai, one smoky. Girls, girls, girls. One day rocking. Come on, a big round of applause for all of them. Hold on, hold on. We want the friends back, please, on stage. Okay, friends तो यार सबकी lifeline होते हैं ना. Come on, can we have you all on stage, please? Apologies for this. I may sound like Karan Johar, but we need some inside scoop now. We need some hot and spicy stuff to be revealed. Who's going to go first? The craziest memory that you have with Divya. Or anything that you'd like to share, no problem.
Let's be mindful of the audience as well.
Ah, you didn't have to say that. Come on. Anyone else who wants to go for it? Yes.
So it's not like a memory. I'll just share one incident. So initially when Venki and Divya started seeing each other, started dating each other, we were updated what's going on and everything. So now we know that she has a boyfriend and everything and things are going great. And then one day her mom calls me. She was like, is something going on in Divya's life? is she seeing someone? Like, you know, she's not interested in any other guys. I'm like, नहीं आंटी मुझे कुछ नहीं पता हमारी ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती. And I just had to keep my like mouth mum because ultimately friends are friends. So yeah.
That's so typical friend-like, right? So supportive. Okay, who goes next? Some crazy memory. Vanessa's thinking, she's thinking, should I or should I not share it on this forum? You can go for it, come on.
Choose the most sabhya one.
I think majority of the time we just spend ranting about about work. So 90% of our time just goes there. So we just have conversations about her ranting about her work and me ranting about nothing about Krishna though. Nothing related.
It was you need to say something
Yeah, that's
about
why
Venki, not about work and me.
So it's something about us. That's what we majority like we end up doing. Oh yeah. They also met at work.
She's keeping it very simple, very diplomatic. But we'll let you go for now.
Keeping in mind what Krishna said.
Himadri, I'm sure you have a lot to reveal.
I'm sure Krishna is going to put me on the spot again.
That's fine. We'll
wait
come
for
up
that.
with something else later. But you being the sister, I'm sure are a best friend and you'll have a lot to reveal.
Best friend? There's nothing much actually. ऐसा कोई incident ऐसा नहीं हुआ that it's, you know, crazy. Huh? Yellow chashma. She has a lot of phases. So she has a phase of painting. She has a phase of I'm going to wear yellow chashma for my lifetime. She has a phase of I'm going to wear only purple for lifetime. So yeah, right now, abhi to kaise kuch. This is not a phase.
Good one, Divya. Anyone else? Last take. Are we getting any further inside scoop? All right. Thank you very much, girls. It was a beautiful and a rocking performance. Thank you very much. Divya and Venki, can we have you guys back on stage, please? Okay, the little one also wants to ask you a few questions. Say hi, Chachu. Hi, Chachi. No. Yes. अब हम क्या करेंगे? बहुत ही सिंपल सा गेम है. थोड़े से क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे वेंकी आपसे और थोड़े क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे दिव्या चाची से, ओके? It's a small little test to check how much you'll rate on the compatibility meter. Okay? So I'll go with Venki first. It's a few questions about Divya's liking. So we'll ask you something and then Divya will come to you to know what your answer is. That's up to you. If you want to lie and support what he's saying, or you want to tell us what you actually like and whether he's got it right or no.
Starting में गणेश जी थे.
Yes. So, Venki, the first question for you is, what is Divya's most favorite dish? What does she like to eat the most?
Dosa.
That was such a simple one. Divya?
I don't have a favorite dish. I have a dishes.
Maybe now you do. Maybe
Frequency
now
of
you
dosa
do.
is very high. That I'll agree.
So then we can give it to Venki.
Yeah, you can give it. It's
Yeah?
fine.
टूट गया? No problem. Come this way. Come here, come here. The next question is for Divya. What is Venki's comfort food?
Sambar, rice.
That was just revealed, so I should have changed the question.
Yeah, for sure.
So they stand at an equal point for now. Well done on that. Next question for you, Venki. What is Divya's idea of an ideal date?
I mean,
He's actually thinking hard. What should I say at the, right
no,
now?
as in, like we've gone on dates many times. I just don't know which one she liked the most. I think just maybe like a romantic setup at the beach, like secluded.
I have a very cheesy answer for this.
Go for it, don't worry, go for it.
I don't have an ideal date because like every date we go, it's like, he's there, it's just ideal.
Oh, that's lovely.
But it's true.
So I think this point goes to Divya. That was lovely.
Talia. What is Venki's favorite sport?
Football. To play or to watch?
When you say play, is it PlayStation or? It doesn't matter.
No, it matters.
No, you have one favorite sport. Whether you play, whether you watch, whether you do anything, you have one favorite sport. Give your answer and then we can.
If it's watching, then it's football. If it's playing, then. Why do you play so many sports? It's so difficult. Okay, cricket.
Yeah, very beautiful. Okay. Playing cricket. Yours good. Playing cricket, watching football.
Venki, this didn't sound convincing.
इसको
It
वो
didn't
गोल वाली
sound
रोटी खानी
convincing
है.
at all. Okay, chalo, never mind. We'll go to the next one. Venki, which is Divya's favorite holiday destination? I'm sure you'll have had a lot of discussions on this one.
I mean, there's no specific country, but I think Europe.
Divya, do you have a specific one?
So we already went, so I don't know if it counts, Switzerland. But otherwise, yeah, Europe. Like, I love countries in Europe.
Okay, so then Venki gets it. Pretty much on the point. Yeah. It is Europe then.
What is Venki's favorite color?
Black. Blue. Yeah, blue.
Yeah, blue.
If you wouldn't have said blue, you would have become black and blue for sure.
Venki, you answer the same question now, which is Divya's favorite color.
Oh, might get this wrong. Pink?
What the? No.
I actually thought this was the easiest on the list. No?
It's black.
Okay, black. So today we all know Divya's favorite color.
Would Venki rather sit at home and chill or go out partying?
Sit at home and chill.
Yeah, for sure.
Now he will do that because we've hardly seen him home.
Yeah, he's never at
But
home.
now he's going to do that because it's going to be Divya by his side. Okay, Venki, the next one for you. Which is Divya's favorite movie?
She herself doesn't know.
Oh, that one? No, that's not my favorite movie. No.
Correct! I give that.
It's not.
I agree. मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. Yeah. Agreed.
It's not. It used to be when I was a kid.
Now it's changed to मैं Venki की दीवानी हूँ. That's the reason.
I think there's only one person who liked that movie, and that's Divya. What is Venki's favorite movie?
He watches a lot of movies. Yeah, every movie, exactly. Yeah, he doesn't know. So there are a lot of movies.
Yeah, there are a lot of movies. I watch all the movies.
Good, bad, or.
Oh, good, bad, all, flop, hit, everything.
There has to be a favorite.
There is no.
No. Favorite bad movie? No. Suryavansham.
Do you have a count, Venki, how many times you've actually seen that movie?
Yeah, I don't have any count.
What about Jani Dushman?
No, I've watched Suryavansham more.
Border.
Correct. Border it is. You're right. Border. You're right.
Okay, chalo, we finally agreed. But yaar, movies to chodo. Aajkal OTT ka zamana, isn't it? So, Venki, which is Divya's favorite TV show?
Favorite TV show? If not Friends, How I Met Your Mother.
There are phases.
We heard that. We heard that.
Some
At
months it is, yeah.
So at some phase that
Yeah,
was...
yeah, it has been.
That was a difficult one, and Venki, you get it. So well done there. Krishi, want to go for the last one for Divya? Okay, so till the time the little one keeps the daddy busy, I'll ask you another question, Venki. Yay, Papa's busy. I think this is a very easy one. It's for you. Is Divya a beach person or a mountain person? The question's for you, whether Divya is a beach person.
For sure, beach. She does not like putting so much effort in climbing.
And Divya agrees to it. So that's the right answer.
Last question for Divya. What is Venki's current favorite song?
Is it like a new song or how is it?
Current favorite.
Anu asked you this.
Song?
Yeah, he asked you.
No.
Anu, didn't you ask this song before? Didn't you ask this question before?
What is his current favorite song? I don't. Khubsurat?
It's, I mean, there's all-time favorite song or current favorite?
Current favorite.
No, Tumse.
Okay.
Yeah, Tumse.
So I think they did reasonably well. I think they're good to go for tomorrow. Good to go for tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Our next performers are hardcore romantics. We saw a little bit of that during the Haldi function. We played that game where we had to throw the mala, and everyone did it religiously. Auntie and uncle had their own swag and stole the show. Our next performers are Divya's parents. While their love is new, let the parents show how it needs to be done. Put your hands together for Divya's parents.
सितारे संग बांध लाऊंगा, तेरे वास्ते फलक से मैं चांद लाऊंगा, 16 17 सितारे संग बांध लाऊंगा। चांद तारों से कहो अभी ठहरे जरा, चांद तारों से कहो कि अभी ठहरे जरा। पहले इश्क लड़ा लूं उसके बाद लाऊंगा, पहले इश्क लड़ा लूं उसके बाद लाऊंगा, तेरे वास्ते फलक से मैं चांद लाऊंगा, 16 17 सितारे संग बांध लाऊंगा। मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था, मैं तो लड़की घुमा रहा था, रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपुरी खा रहा था, लड़की घुमा रहा था। तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं। मैं तो रास्ते से जा रही थी, मैं तो आइसक्रीम खा रही थी, मैं तो नैना लड़ा रही थी। रास्ते से जा रही थी, आइसक्रीम खा रही थी, नैना लड़ा रही थी। तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
तो शुरू करें।
कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था। तुम इसमें बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे साथ। शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम, महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम।
आंटी अंकल प्लीज रुक जाइए। आज आप जितनी खूबसूरत लग रही हैं, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अंकल और आंटी उतनी ही खूबसूरत थी। बहुत मज़ा आया। हाँ जी, आप दोनों की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही खूबसूरत थी। एक सवाल आपसे, इतने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस है, एनी मैसेज, कोई भी एडवाइस वेंकी और दिव्या के लिए, कुछ भी आप उन्हें आज इस मौके पर कहना चाहें?
वैसे तो आजकल मेरी कोई एडवाइस सुनता नहीं है लेकिन मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा, बी वॉट यू आर, बी द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, understand each other. There'll be up and down in the life. Just resolve whatever issues. Do not take it overnight, and stay blessed always.
बस वही कि हमेशा खुश रहो, कुछ भी है तो टेंशन मत लो, सब लोग हैं, हम लोग भी हैं, लेकिन लाइफ को एंजॉय करो, टेंशन मत लो कोई भी चीज़ का, और जो भी है आपस में डिस्कस करके अंडरस्टैंडिंग करके लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाओ, कोई भी चीज़ें कैरी फॉरवर्ड मत करो आगे, खुश रहो, हमेशा खुश रहो, है ना। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू अंकल, थैंक यू आंटी, बहुत ही वैल्यूबल, बहुत ही अच्छे वर्ड्स थे, थैंक यू वेरी मच।